people always want to know how big these rovers are, and this is a nice picture to show that. The rover, the small one down here, landed with Mars Pathfinder back in July of 1997. It's about the size of a microwave oven. Here are Spirit and Opportunity. They're the size of a golf cart, and they're solar powered. These are the solar cells up here, and on the mast of the cameras. Over here is Curiosity, which landed on Mars a little over a year ago. It's about the size of a Mini Cooper car. This is a picture that Mars rover Spirit took looking to the east of some hills we named the Columbia Hills, but they were about 3 kilometers away. And Spirit and Opportunity were only supposed to last 90 days, and for mission success, they were only going to drive 600 meters. But Spirit was able to drive there, and Spirit actually climbed this hill, the highest hill, called Husband Hill, and came down and explored this valley. And this is where Spirit died back in 2010 in this little valley area. So Spirit lasts well over 90 days. That's its Opportunity. Opportunity is still working as I speak to you today and driving almost 9.5 years later. So these vehicles are amazing feats of engineering.
I'd say number one, curiosity about the world around you, curiosity about the universe. But it's going to take studying science and math, the hard subjects you hear about in school. You have to do that. I mean, that's your passport to being able to explore the universe. So find out, science is a big topic. Find out the type of science you like, and math is kind of the language of science. So you'll have to have math, but everybody's interest is varied, but find out what interests you the most and just pursue it.